In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Grammarly to supercharge your Overleaf workflow. If you've been looking to streamline your work while ensuring grammatical precision and top-notch writing quality, this guide will walk you through enhancing your document editing process by integrating these two powerful tools. First, start by navigating to the Overleaf website. Overleaf is your go-to online latex editor, perfect for those who need a reliable platform for collaborative writing or complex typesetting projects. Once you're on the site, check to see if you already have an account. If not, now is the perfect time to create one. It's straightforward and of course essential for getting started. Assuming you have your account ready, go ahead and log in. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your workspace. If you're a first timer, registration is quick and easy, so don't let that stand in your way. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. From here, click on New Project to begin working on your new document. The platform offers a variety of templates, but for our purposes, let's go with a blank project to start fresh. Now it's time to give your project a name. Think of something relevant to the content or purpose of your document to keep everything organized. Once you've named your project, hit the Create button. This will open up your new project, giving you access to the document editing interface. In your editing workspace, locate the Visual Editor tab. This mode makes document creation and editing much more intuitive, especially if you're still getting acquainted with latex. Now, for the exciting part, supercharging with Grammarly. Find the Grammarly icon within the interface. Clicking it opens up a robust set of tools that immediately start scanning your text for grammatical errors, style suggestions, and more. Grammarly not only assists by identifying and correcting issues in your text, but it also generates high-quality content, helping you maintain a polished and professional standard across all your documents. Whether you need it for correcting errors as you type, or for larger document analysis and suggestions, Grammarly is equipped to handle it all, integrating seamlessly with Overleaf's capabilities. By following these steps, you can efficiently combine the best of both worlds, Overleaf's powerful latex editing features with Grammarly's superior proofreading capabilities. With this setup, your workflow will be more efficient, your documents cleaner, and your stress levels considerably reduced. Happy writing and editing with Overleaf and Grammarly?